Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send your PayPal account to receive money. To get started, ensure your PayPal account is fully set up and verified. The simplest way to receive money is by sharing your unique PayPal.me link. This personalized link allows anyone to send you funds directly with just a few clicks. Another common method is to provide the email address linked to your PayPal account. Both options are straightforward and secure for receiving payments. Using your PayPal.me link is incredibly convenient for receiving payments. First, you will need to create this unique link if you haven't already. Once generated, you can easily share it with anyone who needs to send you money. Simply copy the link and paste it into a message, email, or even on your social media. When someone clicks your link, they can enter the amount and send funds directly to your account in seconds. Another reliable way to receive money is by sharing the email address linked to your PayPal account. This is the email you used when you first signed up for PayPal. When someone wants to send you money, they simply enter this email address into their PayPal app or website. It is crucial to double-check that you provide the correct email to prevent any delays or misdirected payments. This method is widely used and very effective. To ensure a smooth experience, always confirm your PayPal account is fully verified before expecting payments. This helps avoid any holds or restrictions on incoming funds. When sharing your PayPal.me link or email, take a moment to double-check for accuracy. Also, remember that some transactions, especially for goods and services, might involve small fees, typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. Understanding these details helps you manage your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.